Native, a king delivered by the chief needs serious interrogation. Hello, PPMO ecosystem. Thank you to the royal family for this week's press briefing. We feel much better that you handling this transition and not allowing Ascaris and charlatans to have their will. Native, let us do risk and some scenario analysis. If I was part of the program we tell you about, what would you have seen, deduced from what happened soon after His Majesty died? His death galvanized all Zulus and natives alike. He had a uniting factor that needed no media propaganda to support it. He possibly had more power over his nation than he actually realized. Native, you realized that he was an influencer, and if he had made the call for the nation to take action, he could have got a real response. As the program, my concern becomes serious. If a king that is not controlled by us takes power, then we may have a problem here. Native, remember we as the program own all forms of production. We have infiltrated the ruling party and all the top 4 political parties. The top 4 is a done deal with Ascaris. Native, it does not end there but includes police services, judiciary, education system and workers' unions etc. The program's penetration is scary to say the least. So now Native, the major risk is the appointed king for the nation could have enough power to galvanize the native against the system that we / the program control. Natives want real leadership and are willing to look beyond tribes. He could actually be a king with a kingdom, fully supported by the natives and awaiting his command. The program is aware that all those that they have compromised, infiltrated are daily losing respect and support from the native mass. That they could lose their political power and control overnight. Native, the right king could have the potential to upset the Codessa betrayal plan. Magic, this is when their most trusted and loyal native of apartheid rule suddenly pops up. Native, his career in politics is built on the betrayal of the native struggle. Native, you know clearly what his militia supported by ZP police did to your communities. Native, you buried the dead. Day in day out. The same chief that put the king through hell as he sought to impress his apartheid masters and gain more power. Native, ask real questions. Why the ANC is quiet about our history and his role. Why? There was no UN human rights or genocide investigations on the chief and apartheid generals. Native, why? Now Native, the very same chief is now here to deliver your king to the nation, using his apartheid title as Prime Minister of Native Affairs. Come on Native, come on. Who has sent him on this mission? Remember, to apartheid this is their most trusted operative / Ascari. Do you see Native that you are not learning from history? By simply not documenting or capturing your history for the next generations. Let us correct that. Thank you again to the royal family. Natives now have more confidence that the process will not be run by the chief and the media propaganda machine. This chief divided the Zulu nation in the past trying to hold on to power. We killed each other because of him. Please remove the Ascaris from this process. The native can only plead with the royal family as its subjects, with respect Bondaba. We will accept whatever decision is made by the royal family. Not politicians and Ascaris. Native, you need a king that will continue fighting for his subjects to be integrated onto land and the economy. A leader who can be the lone voice against the Ascaris and the energy complex. Remember, your decisions will effectively mean the new king will be a king with a kingdom. Nation support or a king without a kingdom. Paper title. Native, this is history in the making, but you are quiet. You can never instruct the royal family to do ABC. But you can raise your views for their consideration. J. Native, hope you listening carefully now. Imagine the same man that lied, misinformed and betrayed your forefathers, has now been tasked with the same mission. Huh. And you accept this hook, line and sinker. No questions asked. You cannot be hit with the same stick your forefathers were hit with, and claim to be maturing / growing mentally. Sorry, that is just naive. Hopefully you see what can happen when you do not document or record your history. Context and history is critical to making informed decisions. Click on subscribe on the YouTube channel to save our assets, no names, personal details, no cell numbers required. Just click subscribe on the PPMO Ecosystem YouTube channel. I know most of you see this, but if not now, you will soon. Madame here. Awesome, have a great one.